Hi there! You up for some more needle felting? I had an idea and I decided to build upon my first Skillshare class here, which was about needle felting, and we made a rather cute wintry scene in a cup, which you can see right there. And so I decided I wanted to have fairy lights on it, because in these long winter nights, anything with sparkle brings more magic into my life, and I suppose I'm not the only one who feels this way. So what are we making? This thing. I find it really cute, and I just filmed myself doing this and decided to make a class out of it. So it's not a beginner's class at all, but you will be able to make it probably even if you don't watch the first one, but I recommend watching the first one because I really tell much more there than I will do here. But in any case, I hope I will inspire you to go for something like this and make your life and the life of those around you more magical, right? So see you in the first lesson.